Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a word problem like this. It says, we need to mix a granola blend that contains exactly 12% protein from two kinds of granola. Sunny Farms granola has 16% protein. Oat World granola has 9% protein. How many pounds of each do we need to get 350 pounds of a blend that is 12% protein? Okay, so that's a lot of information, and the best way to deal with this kind of thing is set up some kind of chart to organize the information. So here's a way to do that. Let's say we start with Sunny Farms granola and focus on that information first. So Sunny Farms. All right, at the end of the problem, it is asking us how much of each, how many pounds of each. So we don't know that yet, but we can use something to stand in for that unknown, and we'll use X. It's for the amount in pounds of that type of granola. We do know the percent of protein, because that's given, and that's given as 16%. So we'll convert that to a decimal for that brand of granola. Now let's put the same kind of information for Oat World granola. Again, another unknown, we don't know yet what the amount is going to be, but we do know it's 9% protein, so we'll convert that to a decimal, and that's 0.09. And now the final blend, well, we do know the amount that we need on that. We need to come up with 350 total pounds. And we also know that it needs to be 12% protein, so we'll convert that to a decimal there. All right, so now we've captured all this information that was given, and it's now in a more organized format. So what do we do next? Well, we can reflect this information by talking about like the amount of protein totally in each of these things. And the way we do that is we just multiply here. So X times 0.16, that's going to give us 0.16X. Y times 0.09 gives us 0.09Y. And 350 times 0.12 is going to give us 0.12 times 350. And I'm not going to multiply that on the calculator just yet, because I want to show you how these equations set up. We're almost ready to do equations. So what we're going to focus on now is these two columns. This one here and this one here. So we know we have to get two equations to be able to solve this because we've got two variables. So you have to have the same number of equations as you have variables in order to solve one of these. So let's think about this. We know we need some number of pounds, X, of this type of granola and some other number of pounds, Y, of that type of granola to total up to 350, right? So what is that? That's going to be X plus Y equals 350. So we can write that over here. So that's one of our equations. So we're going to do the same thing right over here. We're going to say, well, this protein amount and this protein amount have to add up to this protein amount. So we're going to add those and make an equation out of that information. So that's 0.16x plus 0.09y equals this amount here, 0.12 times 350. So at this point in the video, you may be comfortable going ahead and solving this on your own, because a lot of times once we have the equations, the setup has been taken care of. Now we've got the equations and we may be comfortable solving that. So if you are, thanks for watching. If you want to know more about how to take it from this step on, I'm going to post another video on that. One more thing though, just to mention that if you do want to do this on your own and you want to check your answers, those are the final answers. X is going to equal 150 and Y is going to equal 200. And just remember in your homework and your test to actually, you know, say like 150 pounds of Sunny Farms granola, etc. So that that you include the units and what item it is you're talking about. So thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any questions or math examples you'd like to see worked out on this channel, leave a note in the comments.